Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Gamer Chase video. So, today I am playing a game that I used to play a long time ago. It's called Scooby Doo 2 Unleashed, which is Scooby Doo 2. But, see if I can remember playing it, because it's been a while. And, yeah, so don't forget we'll do that face cam with this video, as you guys can see. So, let's get started. So, wait, this might be the one. Wait, will you hit? What's A? Hold on, A. We are gonna change this. So that's gonna be B. That's gonna be A. That's gonna be L. R. Up, down. No, let's make these go. Okay. So B is Z. X. C. B. No, wait. E. And P. B. So we'll try that. If that doesn't work, then. Well, and then return key. Okay, so Z. So I think this is basically like the one that I used to play on. Oh, so I gotta play through it. I think this is basically the one that I used to play on, like, my Game Boy. Ooh, Game Boy. Like, I still have my DS, so. Yeah. But okay, what? Start the game. Okay, maybe we won't play this game because I don't know. Unmask. Some of these I've played, but I don't necessarily get it. So we're just gonna say that I don't get it. Alright, it's X. Oh, sure, be good to see Cousin Jared or Jed again. I can't wait to meet him. Like, what does Jed do, Fred? He makes monsters. Monsters. Yikes. Relax, you scaredy cats. Jed works for special effects studio. They make monsters for movies. Here we are, gang. Monster fights and magic. Monsters. While you wait. Oh, so where is that Jed dude? Red! Where? This place looks completely deserted. Alright, gang, it looks like we have mystery on our hands. Let's split up and look for clues. Scooby and Shaggy, you find any clues, bring them to Velma so she can analyze them. Rest. Okay, that's that. Okay. Hey, Scoob. Like, we're going to need to jump to reach the next room. Why don't you give it a try, pal? Okay. Hey, you stuck, pal. Try standing under this floor. That should do the trick, I think. Right. Wait, what was... B is B. A is A. Left. Right. Okay. So... Wait, did I change it? Press B. Oh, I know. There we go. So we have to update it. That's why. You know what? That's probably why the other one was working. Like, wow, Scooby, look at all those Scooby snacks. It's making me hungry, pal. You should pick up as many as you can. And like, around 100 if you can. Ouch, we're making one healthy dog. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Like, whenever I get lost, look around to see where I'm going. Maybe you can do the same, Scooby. We might find some more Scooby. Right. Yeah, I already know. Look, a clue. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more like this, then yeah. So sorry about that weird glitch. I couldn't move anything. I was frozen and etc. But we're just gonna end it here. So if you guys want me to do more videos like this, then make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys later on the next adventure of Gamer Chase, because you know, I want to try to get into more games. So if you guys have any game suggestions, make sure you comment down below. Actually, I don't think you can comment because I think my comments are disabled, but go message me, DM me at Instagram 19gamerchase.